In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Docusign envelope status and history of your envelope following the easiest method. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and enter the website address www.docusign.com. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, locate the login button, which you'll typically find in the top right corner. Clicking on that will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you haven't logged into your Docusign account in a while, you might want to ensure that your username and password are at the ready, or consider resetting your password if needed. After you have successfully logged in, you will be redirected to the Docusign homepage. This will be your main dashboard for all things related to managing your documents. From the homepage, look for the Agreements option. This is where you can access all active, pending, and completed documents associated with your account. Once there, go ahead and click on Agreements. Now, you'll want to go through and select a document from the list that you're interested in reviewing the status and history of. It might help to use the search functionality if you have a large number of documents to sift through. After you have selected the document, the next step is to focus your attention on the Status button. Click on this to get a quick overview of the current state of the document, such as whether it's still draft, pending a signature, completed, or voided. For a more detailed look, you'll need to find and click on the icon characterized by 3 dots. This is often used as a menu or function indicator across various digital platforms. Clicking on those dots will open up additional options related to the document you have chosen. One of these options will include History. Click on History to access a detailed timeline of all interactions, modifications, and updates that the document has undergone. This might include timestamps of when signatures were added, who accessed the document, and modifications, if any. Understanding the status and history of your Docusign envelopes can be incredibly helpful for managing your digital documents more effectively. It allows you to keep track of where each document is in the signing process, which can be essential for time-sensitive agreements or contracts. If you manage a team or work with multiple parties, this feature can offer insights and accountability, ensuring every document is handled promptly and accurately. That's it for today's guide on using Docusign's features. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.